Hello there and welcome. My name is Linda Ektadari, and as you can see from my picture, I'm a world traveler. Having studied and taught at universities around the world, I've learned to adapt to foreign languages and cultures. Well, I'm still a traveler, but this time in a very different world, the world of internet marketing, and it has its own foreign language and culture. Believe me, learning to adapt to it has not always been easy. Internet marketing has been a new and challenging adventure for which I've drawn the strengths that have made me a better marketer today. So, allow me to make this adventure a little easier for you and share with you what I've learned about internet marketing and binary options. With that being said, simply allow me to be your passport to internet marketing success. This is going to be a video review of Trade Sniper by Michael Price. I'm not affiliated with Price or Trade Sniper in any way, and I'm not being compensated for reviewing this program. So safe passage is definitely guaranteed. The next few moments I'm going to share with you my thoughts and findings on this product. I know you're excited about it and have been encouraged to buy it. This review will help you to make final decision because I'm going to give you some insider scoops on Trade Sniper and binary options. So let's just go ahead and begin, but with a precautionary measure, if I may. Very important here is don't buy Trade Sniper before watching this video review to the end, because I want to advise you of several precautionary measures that you might want to consider before using this program. Should you decide not to go with Trade Sniper after considering the precautions, you don't need to leave empty-handed. You could make a decision to accept a very special free offer which can be used to make money quickly without depositing money with a broker, without forecasting, and without risk-taking. It is Jeff Buchanan's Instant Payday Network. So just click on the link below this video to get it after watching this review to the end. Okay, I think we can go ahead now and begin. Trade Sniper is a currency trading system by Michael Price, also known as Justin. This program suggests that it can help internet marketers, especially novice marketers, make money by exploiting the binary options trading system in place at the moment. The program accomplishes this by watching closely over the market and looking for profitable binary trades. When it finds an option that meets its criteria, it will send out a notification to alert you. When there's a lucrative trade, the software will notify you and also indicate which currencies are the best. If a trade is not lucrative, then the software may, and I say this once again, may also allow you to know and tell you to not trade and help you to keep the funds on your side. This is a maybe. So, and it further claims that this type of a patented software is like, well, practically like obtaining an inside stockbroker for your own personal use. This program suggests that it can help internet marketers, especially novice marketers, make money trading binary options with a few clicks of the mouse. But what this really means is that the system is supposed to tell you what to trade and when to trade, and that it may help you in certain instances. The keywords here are may and supposed to. Whether it really operates efficiently in this manner is a maybe. So that's why I say be very careful. Everyone really wants to believe that this type of a system will work, and but let's go into a little bit what binary options appear to be, and if you really want to base your beliefs in hard-earned cash on forecasts and predictions. Binary options are very popular, especially in the U.S. today. These types of software programs are, like the one being reviewed here, are popping up everywhere and making claims that trading with their software will help make you money. So if you're a newbie, just be careful before opening up a trading account. That's all I'm saying, just to proceed with caution. Developers often know that newbies might be willing to spend big money on anything they see for sale online, hoping it might help them learn how to make even more money. Also, developers get kickbacks from trading companies if new accounts are opened, because suggested brokers are often listed in the software programs. This is why Trade Snipers is able to give away the system for free initially. I should say Michael Price. He will always be getting kickbacks, and the brokers will always be making money on your trades and the trades of hundreds of other clients that have been referred. But statistically speaking, you will not always be making money because of the type of a system this is, which is based on forecasting. And so it's riskier for you than for them. That is the developers and brokers. So you do not think about this at all. When you hear about this system, it's free, it sounds very exciting, and you want to try it out and get started with it right away. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with this at all, but I'm just advising you to proceed with caution. So if you're just starting out and have never traded binary options before, please know that this method of trading is, as I mentioned, very risky, as it is an all or nothing proposition where payoffs are a fixed amount or nothing. This simply means if you win, you get the fixed amount. If you lose, you get nothing. You lose the whole trade amount. But keep in mind that you're not buying stocks or assets, nor do you need to own any with binary options. Rather, you're simply predicting whether an asset will go up or down within a trade period of time, which could be anywhere from 30 seconds to 30 minutes, for example. You or the software, sometimes both, are making a bet on a forecast. Forecasts are not certain, just like weather predictions are not always certain. It's because of this I'm not able to say whether you will make money or not with this product. And everybody knows that, statistically speaking, you can't make money 100% of the time, but what these programs claim to do is to help you, make more money and lose less. I don't know, however, if this is going to work, but I do know that there are safer, freer ways to make money with programs such as Instant Payday, the one I previously mentioned to you. And don't forget to click the link below this video to check it out when we're finished here. A good rule of thumb really is not to trade binary options unless you do not need the money that you might lose. I'm going to give you some specific information here on Trade Sniper. First, you have to sign up for the software, and then you have to open a trading account with a specific broker out of London. It's called 4 Markets. It's a broker out of London. Deposit $250 and you'll get a 30% matching bonus. So your starting balance will be $325. And after you do this, then you have access to download the software. So unless you're being very successful with this type of trading, there will be ongoing fees because you'll need to continually replenish your account. As I mentioned, the system tells you what to trade and when to trade. But if you're still intrigued by this system and you want to take it for a test run, here's some tips to minimize your risk. Don't accept matching bonuses when opening an account, because if you decide to quit, it's difficult to get a refund. So, especially at the beginning, I wouldn't do that. And secondly, have an account manager from each brokerage open a demo account for you if that's possible. This is just a dummy account with fake money, so where you can trade without risking money and test your skills at trading. 50 to 100 trades, or as many as you feel comfortable with. And when you feel confident, you can try some real trading by betting maybe $5 to $10 per account, or whatever the minimum may be. If you don't feel comfortable, simply close all of your accounts. And remember, you can usually get your money back if you have not accepted any matching deposit bonuses. And one last note, if you decide to use this product as an affiliate marketer instead of as an end user, you'll be in competition with the more experienced marketers, but that decision is once again yours. I have to say that Michael Price is an absolutely brilliant software marketer in the field of trading binary options, has put together a really intriguing marketing product with a Trade Sniper, and this product could really fill many trading and marketing needs, assuming that it works as well as advertised. Since the system tells you what to trade and when to trade, it actually frees up your time to try something that really works for making income online risk-free, such as Instant Payday Network, the program I previously mentioned. If you follow the steps, you could actually even do the both programs simultaneously. And if you lose too much money with Trade Sniper, you still have this program in your back pocket, and you could give your undivided attention to it and regain some of the money you may have lost with Trade Sniper. So once again, I'm just reminding you to click on the link below after viewing the video to the end. Now, here's what I feel is the best part of my review, because I want to tell you a little bit more about the no risk free internet marketing system that doesn't have any risky or stressful choices involved with it, and you can start making money right away. And that, of course, is Jeff Buchanan's Instant Payday Network. There's no trial periods here because it's always free and yours to keep forever. You just click on the link below this video at www.passporttointernetmarketingsuccess.com to get it. After much searching over the years, I'm here to tell you that this is really the best, free, and time efficient, because your time is very important, and the time efficiency of this program is really wonderful, and it's the best one I've found to date. And best of all, it includes the two best kept secrets on the internet, which are traffic and conversions, and I've been trying to look for the key to this for many years now. So let's go ahead and take a look at this program. Let's take a look at what it is not, because that will answer some of your questions right away. It's not an MLM, which is multi-level marketing. There's nothing to sell. There's no bugging friends or family because there's nothing to buy. No cold calling, no three-way calling, no products to warehouse or ship. That's right, there's no inventory to track as a result of all this, as a result of no products. So it's really a wonderful system, and when you click the link below to enter, you'll find out how it really works on the ground level. Now here is what the product actually offers. It's a complete turnkey marketing system. It's built, as I mentioned, to bring in traffic and make conversions. A free capture page, no monthly hosting fees, which is wonderful because hosting fees can cost you a lot of money. There's a 35 to 50% conversion rate, which is a great rate every day. And you have to think about the fact if you hired someone to make your capture pages for you, it can be costly, and you still have to keep on top of it and make sure they're operating correctly. And Jeff has really saved you all the time and expense here. There's a free automated sales funnel. You get paid every day for the work you do. Free email autoresponder, great asset to help you build your email list, which are of course crucial to any business. And it initially does most of the work for you. And once again, if you paid for this program somewhere else, it could cost $30 to $40 a month. There's a free exclusive training center set up in the back office to help you make money now. It has what I call a little mini reference library, lots of resources to select from on how you'd like to drive traffic and make conversions. And best of all, it's free to get started, 100% free. And to me, that's great because, as I mentioned, it's the only free program I've found so far. And you can click on the link below at Passport to Internet Marketing Success to get your hands on it. It's a program that's actually set up for people such as yourself. People are looking for online marketing experience, and people are learning to make money online, and they're sick and tired of getting pitched different clickbait and click button softwares that promise to make $1 million overnight. You won't make $1 million overnight with this program, but honestly, you could probably start out like at around $100 to $150 a day, and that's all for free. You don't have to invest any money in that. And Jeff explains how this system works when you enter the site. All you have to do is just follow the steps and strategies the system teaches you, and it converts the traffic for you. And as a bonus, I will personally be your internet marketing coach, and we have webinars every week to answer your questions, and We have a wonderful group of people that you can work together with. And as I mentioned, there's no startup fee and no fees ever unless you want to do additional advertising, but you do not have to. Um, there are people in Instant Payday Network who make upwards of $10,000 to $20,000 a month. You can go on Google search and simply input Instant Payday Network income proof, and you will find there are over 9,000 people making money with Jeff Buchanan's Instant Payday Network system. So go ahead and click on the link below this video. We're coming to the end here, and find out what really works every day for Instant Payday Network people such as myself. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. It's a wonderful system, and I hope this makes sense to you. If you decide not to purchase uh, the Trade Sniper, you have this program to fall back on. If you do decide to purchase Trade Sniper, then as I mentioned, you can do this program at the same time. It's your choice. You could do both or just one. I hope this makes sense to you and that this review was helpful. Please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Wishing you all the best, my fellow internet traveler.